Hi there, Dick Danger, out in the shop. When looking this weekend and found something new, so I got this here Clarke Metalworker drill press. And as you can see, it's kind of in rough shape. Got a broken thing here, and it's all rusted like there's no tomorrow, and who knows what's wrong with it. But I'm gonna work on rebuilding it. Sit there and get it checked out. But reason why I like it is because it goes down to 220 RPM all the way up to 3600. So it should be good for drilling through steel and everything else I'm working on. And I have to look up on the internet and see how to get this thing all parts and stuff. And, there's a good old dirt dauber nest and stuff like that. So that's the next project. Even though I got so many projects, I just don't know what to do with. But hey, variety's the spice of life. So